Hey there, if you've got an event venue and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right spot today. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSite platform to build a simple website for your event venue. Now, if you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's get cracking and search for our markets. I'm going to go ahead and search for event venue. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell MultiSite a few basic details about our venue so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here, click on service and click on continue and let MultiSite generate a website with the information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of your event venue and all your facilities and what you have to offer. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. Perhaps you don't offer all those services. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding or be a professional in any kind of way. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the basics. Let's click on the first section over here. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. There we go. It's now visible for my customers. Phone number, let's pop it in, and physical location, street address. The great thing about that location is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on the address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where we can put in the various social media platforms our business is active on. Icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Now, if you have a logo for your business, go ahead and upload it in the next section. If you don't have a logo, you can check out canva.com or hatchful.com, both great free options if you don't have a huge budget. Click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller once it's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to that logo as well, you can click on that pencil directly over it to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. To change the colors of your MultiSites website that were pre-selected for you, click on that paint bucket at the bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Various paint color palette schemes to choose from over here. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. It's super simple. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from. They all look very professional. Otherwise, you now have the option to also connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images from your profile. Buttons can be amended too. You can change the text on them as well as where they're linked to, even uploading a PDF file and linking to another website. For each section, you can make it a little bit more personalized, put in more details here of how you got into the industry, maybe a little bit of a history about your event venue. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where customers can reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard, as well as you'll get notified via your registered email when you have a new lead. If you have a custom domain, you can click on the yellow button at the bottom to make your website look more professional. If you'd actually like to purchase a domain as well, perhaps you don't have one, click on that button as well. It does give you an option to purchase one to stand out from all your competitors and make your website look super trustworthy and professional. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.